just picked up a brand new RAV4 and the interior already feels like it's missing something. Loose stuff sliding around, no good phone mount, trunk space that could be way smarter. These 12 accessories fix all of that without drilling a single hole. Every link is in the description below. Go check them out. Starting the countdown at number 12, the Trunk Organizer Pocket Bag is one of those "why didn't this come stock" upgrades. Built specifically for the redesigned trunk side pocket on the new RAV4, it triples the usable storage space of the factory net while keeping everything from rattling against the interior wall. High-density foam lining kills the noise, and the black-blue finish matches the interior like it was always there. Hook and loop install, no drilling, done in minutes. Number 11. The phone holder is a proper 3D scanned custom fit, not some universal clamp that looks wrong in your dash. Available for both the 10.5-inch and 12.9-inch screen versions of the new RAV4, so make sure you pick the right one. Up to 25 watts of wireless fast charging with a built-in cooling fan, so your phone doesn't cook itself. MagSafe compatible magnets, adjustable ambient light, and a 100-watt adapter included in the box. At number 10, the Trunk Hidden Storage Box solves the problem you didn't know you had until you needed it. Slides perfectly into the space under the cargo floor with zero modification. Plug and play in under a minute. Heavy-duty ABS construction supports the cargo panel above it, while giving you a hidden compartment for valuables, shoes, emergency gear, or whatever you want out of sight. Waterproof, oil-proof, easy to wipe clean. Note: does not fit the RAV4 Prime. Number 9. The trunk and backrest mats are for RAV4 hybrid owners specifically. Laser scanned for a precise fit with raised edges that cover every inch of carpet. Made from thermoplastic elastomer material that stays flexible in cold weather, won't curl or buckle over time, and has zero harsh rubber smell in summer heat. Child, pet, and elderly-friendly material. Hose it off when it gets dirty and you're done. 5+ year lifespan on these. Solid all-weather protection. The armrest cover at number 8 is the upgrade your center console lid needs before it gets scratched up. Premium PU leather with thickened soft cotton underneath keeps your arm comfortable on long drives without the cover sliding around. Carbon fiber pattern matches the factory interior aesthetic, conceals any existing scratches, and wipes clean with a damp cloth. No tools, no hardware. Just pull it over the lid and it's done. Small upgrade, big daily difference. Number 7. The trash can for door is the accessory every passenger in your RAV4 will silently appreciate. Custom fit for the driver and passenger door pockets of the new RAV4, made from thick silicone rubber that flexes into place and stays put. Spring-loaded top flap keeps trash in and smell contained. Holds gum wrappers, receipts, straw wrappers, all the small stuff that ends up on the floor otherwise. Comes as a 2-piece set, one for each door. Flat black color disappears into the interior. At number 6, the trunk cargo cover is the privacy upgrade your RAV4's trunk has been missing. Retractable design operates like a window shade. Snap it into the factory mounting holes with zero drilling and pull it closed over your gear. Aluminum alloy crossbar, carbon fiber texture finish, UV protection, and a chamfered latch bar that won't scratch your interior. 1-year warranty included. If you leave valuables in the trunk regularly, this one pays for itself the first time someone walks past your car. Number 5. The bumper topper from WeatherTech is the 3mm thick insurance policy for your rear bumper. Every time you load groceries, gear, or a dog into the back, that bumper takes a hit. This impact-resistant hard plastic cover attaches with very high bond adhesive strips, hugs the bumper profile perfectly, and is thin enough to let the hatch close completely. Made in the USA, protects your paint and helps your resale value when it's time to trade up. Easy center mark for accurate install. The trunk cargo net at number 4 keeps everything in the back from becoming a rolling disaster on corners. Double-layer elastic nylon mesh holds items securely, stretches for bulkier objects, and compacts down when you don't need it. Compatible with the hybrid and plug-in hybrid trims, check your specific model before ordering. No tools required, installs in minutes. Road trips, grocery runs, camping gear. Nothing shifts, nothing rolls, nothing ends up under the seat. Number 3, the center console drawer turns dead air space below your center console vents into actual usable storage. Matte black finish matches the factory interior exactly. Anti-slip rubber liner on the bottom keeps coins, keys, and glasses from sliding around and making noise. Fits the 2026 RAV4 hybrid and plug-in hybrid. Important note, does not fit the Woodland edition. Tilt it into place, pull it out when you need it. Genuinely clever use of ignored space. The dashboard tray at number 2 is where your sunglasses, keys, and cards have been waiting to live. Designed from 3D laser scan data for either the 10.5-inch or 12.9-inch screen version of the new RAV4. Pick the right one for your trim. Slots in behind the screen with no tools, anti-slip insert mats keep items from rattling, and optional felt strips in the package let you dial in the fit. High-temperature resistant ABS, so it won't warp in a hot car. Clean, practical, invisible upgrade. Taking the top spot, the center console organizer set is the most complete interior upgrade on this list. Precision molded to OEM specifications for the new RAV4, it transforms the center console from a cluttered black hole into a properly organized space. Double-layer design, liquid silicone liner over ABS tray, absorbs vibrations and kills rattles completely. Hidden compartment under the armrest for cards and valuables, plus a silicone cup holder liner in the box. No tools, no gaps, looks like it came from the factory. Note, not for the limited trim. 12 accessories, 1 RAV4, and a completely different ownership experience from day one. Whether you start with the organizer set or go all in on every item on this list, your interior will thank you. Every single link is in the description. Go build your perfect setup. Hit subscribe and stay with us. More RAV4 content and car accessory breakdowns are coming your way.